2022 Select Draft Picks Value Pack $6.99 at Target. Let's see how we do. Randy Moss 50 cents, Patrick Mahomes $1.25. Terry McLaurin 50 cents, Trey Lance 50 cents, Taysom Hill 50 cents, Troy Aikman 75 cents, Myles Garrett Red Laser Field Level $2, Jake Ferguson Silver Prism $2, Select Company USC 75 cents, En Fuego Treylon Burks $1, Sam Howell Field Level Rookie $1, Peyton Manning Field Level $1, Kyle Hamilton Field Level Rookie $1, Keenan Allen Field Level $1, Joe Burrow Field Level $3.